For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of subpar gaming headsets that can't keep up with your high-octane gameplay? Do you struggle to pinpoint enemy positions due to muffled audio or annoying distortion? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the SteelSeries Arena 3. It's not just another headset, it's a game changer. Therefore, in this review, we'll dive into the uncharted territory of what makes this gaming behemoth tick. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The SteelSeries Arena 3 is built to last with a sturdy metal frame and durable components that can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. The ear cups are made from high-quality protein leather for long-lasting comfort, while the headband is adjustable to fit any head size. But what really sets it apart is its innovative design. A magnetic levitation system allows for precise positioning of the drivers, providing crystal-clear audio and immersive soundscapes that put you right in the game. Therefore, you can focus on your gameplay without distractions or fatigue. However, I was expecting more from the microphone quality, but after some experimentation, I realized it's actually quite good, clear and crisp with minimal background noise. There are also multiple mic settings to choose from, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect: sound quality. The SteelSeries Arena 3 boasts a frequency response range of up to 40 kHz for an immersive audio experience that will leave you breathless. Therefore, every detail in the game is accentuated, from the rustling of enemy footsteps to the firing sounds of your trusty shotgun. But what really caught my attention was its impressive battery life, up to 50 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for marathon gaming sessions or long-haul flights. So you can game all day without worrying about running out of juice. I've also noticed that it's surprisingly light and comfortable, weighing in at just 0.4 kg. Therefore, even the most extended playtime won't leave you feeling fatigued or uncomfortable. Now, I know what you're thinking: is this headset worth the price tag? And my answer would be a resounding yes. The SteelSeries Arena 3 offers unparalleled sound quality, durability, and comfort that will elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Therefore, don't settle for anything less. But there's one more thing I'd like to mention. While it does support wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or the included USB-C cable, I did encounter some occasional lag issues when paired with my phone. However, this didn't affect the overall gaming performance. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-notch gaming headset that will take your gameplay to the next level, look no further than the SteelSeries Arena 3. For the best price, click the link in the description.